3, 2, 1. And look! The free energy generator is working! Whoa! This is great invention! Hello Hacktubers and welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna watch some fake videos like this free energy generator. But before that, you need to check my previous video where I assembled this robot kit, M-Bot Ranger robot kit made by MakeBlock, and they are giving a free robot to one lucky subscriber of my channel. And please visit the previous video and enter in the giveaway. Thank you. Okay, back to the fake free energy generator now. Okay, this channel, Tree Technology, make a lot of fake free energy generators and he have a lot of videos, but today we're gonna watch one particular video. The video title of this video is how to make 240 volts 10,000 watts free electricity generator. Okay, he starts with two metal pieces, and on those pieces he wind a solid copper wire. He get three equal pieces wounded with copper wire, and he is attaching like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these generators, let's call it. Okay, and this is the critical part, a magnet. If you don't use a magnet, you can't receive a free energy. That's the rule in fake videos. Okay. He attached a socket where he will plug some electricity devices, and here it is, the whole free energy generator with a magnet attached to the, what is this, washing machine motor. And now he will start the generator with this thread that will pull, and voila, the magnet is rotating with this motor on the copper coils that he made, and under is a magnet and all that connected to the socket. And now he's gonna plug the light bulb, and there it is, a free energy. Oh, this is so fake. Please guys, do not believe in this. Whoa, he's gonna measure with this old multimeter. Let's read some of the comments. The first comment is: remember kids, the hardest part when making the perpetual motion machine isn't making it. The hardest part is to find a good spot to hide the battery. That is a good one. Give him a like. And just to mention this, that this video got 1 million views and is uploaded 7 months ago. Free energy does not exist. On YouTube you can find a bunch of these fake videos, and they are making this content just for views and for the money. Please don't believe it in this, and that's why I'm making these short videos, to prove you that there is no free energy generators. Thank you for watching, subscribe to my channel, and see ya!